Hey guys, I wanted to jump on and share with you a revolutionary piece of software which I recently came across, which could be a game changer for you in your online meetings in Zoom, on Teams, Google Hangouts, and any other platform that you're using. It connects directly with your Zoom room and it gives you live real-time feedback on how you're doing. Are you using filler words? Are you umming and ahhing? Are you using hedging words? Are you speaking too fast? Are you staying on point? Are you clear? Are you interactive in the conversation? All this feedback is given to you real time, and you should be able to see in this meeting room right now, because I'm demonstrating it, that it's giving me some feedback on how many filler words I'm using, pace. I can go forward here and the hedging words that I'm using, and have I asked interactive questions? All of this is being recorded. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this down and go into the window where it will give me the report post meeting. And I think this will be very insightful for you. And I'll give you some links as to where you can find this software and get started with it. All right, so let's move across. Okay, here we see the performance metrics from this particular meeting. If I just expand it a little bit, then you should be able to see it across here. You can see my clarity was 87%. It says it was okay. So clearly I wasn't 100% clear in what I wanted to share. I didn't use any hedging words. That's great. I used a couple of filler words, actually 4, it says here. My pace was good. How many words per minute? Great. And I asked quite a few questions in this meeting. So overall talk time was 100%. That's clear because I was the only person in the meeting. But if I was having a meeting with more people, it will show you how much you have interacted during that meeting. Now, the next thing it will do is it gives you personalized feedback based on your particular goal. So if you were in this meeting to just share information and updates, it will give you the feedback. I was here to convince and inspire action. So I'm going to click on this one and get the feedback on how I did. Let's see how I did. All right, so now it starts generating this report, and we can see it's very faint. It will come up clear in a moment. Clear presentation structure. You presented the information and structured in an organized manner. Great. I was highlighting the benefits. I was engaging. Great. I used repetitive phrases. So I often repeated the same phrase. Okay, that's not good. My pacing, there we go. Pacing and flow. There were parts of my flow which could have been smoother. And clarity and demonstration, the software's feature was unclear. Well, got to consider that was just an intro to the rest of the meeting, which I'm now coming across here and showing you how the software works. Now, what's really great is when it says I used filler words, I can now go in here. I will see a full transcript of where those fillers were. And thankfully, there's only a couple in here. And what those words were. It will give you a list of the words which you have a tendency to use. It will give you details about your pace and will also give you some feedback if it feels that there is room for improvement in these areas. So it's a really great piece of software. It gives you a summary of your meeting as well. And that will help you to understand, did I cover everything that I really wanted to cover during this meeting? So I highly recommend that you go and you give it a try. I'll share with you now some of the pricing options so you can see, and some links where you can get access to the software. You can see the pricing options. It starts at $13 a month, and that would be if you are on a yearly plan. If you're paying monthly, it will be $19 US. They also have custom pricing if you want to have the software for your entire team to improve their communication skills. And you can also do a free trial. And I believe that's for 2 weeks, but I'm not 100% sure. I think 14 days you can do a free trial. So you can go in, give it a try, test it out, get some real-time feedback on your speaking skills, and already get started to improve those skills before the trial ends. All right, hope you found this helpful.